Some people have taken the bull by the horns. Others have found the bird in the bush. And eeny, meeny, miny, moe caught a tiger by its toe. But today I went my own direction. I got a lion's tail in my glass. Now let me show you how I did it. The lion's tail was made during Prohibition. It was actually named after an old phrase, twisting the lion's tail. It used to refer to pushing back against the government, sort of like what everybody did every time they drank a lion's tail during Prohibition. We'll make one in just a moment, but first, I'm a little parched. I think I need a victory shot. I haven't had one in months. Mr. Hayden does a good job with that rye. Unlike the shrimp cocktail, this one doesn't have bits of lion. No animals were harmed during the making of this episode. What the? 4 dashes of bitters. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. ½ ounce of allspice dram. Yes, we are going to take a shot. I'm glad they sang it, Elizabeth. ½ ounce of lime juice. 2 ounces of bourbon. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Wonder if they'll ever St. Jim. And this is a lion's tail. Today's word of wisdom is lion. No, not lion, lion. You know, like when you're lying to your friends or lying down for a nap. It's a pretty straightforward word, but can get confusing. Like when you find a crooked lion who's lying while lying on another lion it's been lying too. Try saying that 3 times fast. While lying on another lion that's been lying too. While lying on another lion who's been lying too. While lying on another lion, it's been lying too.